Hello everybody, today we have a risky work to do, but why not? A friend sent me this blank from poplar wood and I tried to make a platter out of it. The problem is that it is very thin, only 5 centimeters, and the diameter is 76, so probably will have a lot of vibration, but why not to try it? So let's do it. Before I start something like that, so huge, before I open the lathe, I put the speed on 0. My camera ran out of battery, so I lose a little part. Sorry for that. Now I will make the chuck base. Now 5 minutes to dry out. Now the hard part is the design. Normally I do the 1/3, the hole, the bowl of the platter, but now the 1/3 is so small, it's something big like that. At the moment I am 4.5 centimeters inside. I can't go any farther because I have about 1 centimeter at the base of the chuck and a space between half centimeter. So it's time to make it round and finish the bowl of the platter. Then I do the design around. So let's finish this. And now comes another hard part. We need to decorate it. I have to choose this bit here, and I make some shapes between those two lines. You have a lot of work. This is the drill bit that I use. It's the third day and I'm still working the decoration of it. After a long time, I can tell you that is only a small piece of wood is left without drilling or curving. So I open again the camera and we finish it together. Now we do a bit of sanding. I choose 220, so because I don't like to destroy the shapes that I make so much time to make them. And now the last part, painting. My camera closes again for the battery and I lose everything that I tell you about the coloring. I use acrylic color. And I think it's the best to do this work because it's a good quality color and stay forever. For painting we use a soft brush so we can work the color on the wood. I'm a bit sad when I lose parts of the videos, but this you capture many hours of video and you just use about 15 minutes. So you understand, problems can be happen. And finally it's ready. Now I have some details that I need to fix, but I need first to dry the color. And here it is. I hope you find interesting this making. It was a crazy making. Not because it's big, because I turned in 76 centimeters platter with a 10 centimeters hole. I know I break the rules, but someone say that the rules is made for someone break them. If this makes sense in English. But okay, I really enjoyed this making and it was a long time that I like to try something really big and it was a great lesson for me. I hope you also find this video interesting, and if you like to see more like that or other crazy stuff, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And I wait for your comments or your ideas on the comments below. Now I need to find a place to put this. So we speak again in 2 Sundays. Until then, take care.